Hello students, today we are going to do the part 2 of expansion. In my last video part 1, I showed you all how we use different formulae which is given in the book. So most of the easiest sum I did. But today I am going to do all the difficult and large sums, especially from 26 to 31. So I have already written number 26 here, and you will see there 27, 28. So 5 sums, all are quite difficult. You have just come up from class 8. So please copy them and practice them a number of times till you become confident. So where is first sum? And while doing, I'll tell you what are the identities we are using and how we get the answer. So this first question, if you see, question 26, this is given. See, first 3 questions we have if. Then you prove something. And last 2 questions, if you check, boys, it is find. We have to find the value 29, 30 and 31. Okay, so 2 questions and this is 1 3 question we prove. As you see, little transposing we do implies 2a plus c minus b you take to the other side. So we get this. So without doing anything, simply we transpose minus b and it becomes plus b. Squaring both the sides. What do we get? Left side whole square is equal to this side square. You can put a bracket. If you expand 2a whole square plus 2ab plus b square. So here this is first term and second term. I should not call b because already 1b is there. So what we will do is first term plus second term whole square, first term square plus twice the product of first term into second term plus second term square. And the second last step is this is 4ac plus c square is equal to b square. If you want to get the answer, bring b square. So see how we do. Therefore, you put last step 4a square, see here, b square comes here, minus b square plus c square. So first a square term, b square term, c square term, then 4ac is equal to 0 because this side we have brought everything, nothing is left. Okay, so this was question 26. Kindly pause the video and copy. So 27, you see very similar sum is a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0. So same way, what I will do, a plus b, I will keep it to one side and I'll take c to the other side. Just I am putting in bracket to show you a plus b on one side and c goes. Now cubing both the side. Cubing both the side we do. Here, why cubing both the side? Because we have cube here. This question had square. We have cube there. So a plus b whole cube is equal to minus 2c whole cube. So we have a cube plus 3ab a plus b plus b cube. So there is a formula a plus b whole cube. So we get, and this is minus 2 cube is minus 8 c cube. One very important substitution, children, we will do. in place of a plus b, we will write minus 2c plus b cube is equal to minus 8c cube. So what you do, a cube plus b cube, c comes here 8c cube, and this is 2 3s are 6, abc, you transpose to that side, we get the required proof. Once more, see here, a plus b, c minus c goes that side, 2c minus 2c, do cubing, and what formula we use here? If you see, I am writing formula here. Here you write formula, since a cube, a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab a plus b plus b cube. Remember boys, this is whole cube. This sum we will see a cube plus b cube. So another formula is there, a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So please don't confuse between these two. Here I am going to use the first formula. So kindly pause your video and you copy whatever is there on the whiteboard. Now I will go to question 28. So children, we have one very important result coming up for us, is that we derive one formula. If you see a book, then you will see example 15. I think so. You check your book, you will see if a plus b plus c is 0, one very important conditional formula, then we will solve it. Let us see. Let a plus b be one side is minus c, as I have solved previous one, number 27. So this is part 1 of 28. This is part 1 of question 28. Then second part I will show you. Now cubing both the side. So what we see, a plus b cube whole cube minus this. So what do we get? A cube plus 3ab, see the formula, a plus b cube is minus c cube. Now here most important, we have to substitute in place of a plus b, we will put 3, we will put minus c. So here also children you write, since a plus b is equal to minus c. A plus b is minus. This is one of the most important step. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube, you bring this to this side and this goes to that side, 3abc. So this is a very important result, but this is not always true. It is conditional upon this. If a plus b plus c is 0, then this is this. So I will write if a plus b plus c is 0, then and then only this is true. Otherwise this identity is not always true, unlike other identities. So we have question 28 based on this. So we have to find the value of a square by bc, b square by c plus c square by ab. If you take LCM, we have a, b, c together. bc goes 8 times, you will get a cube. ca goes b times b into b square is b cube. Similarly c cube. But we know when this is this, A cube plus B cube plus this is 3ABC. So substitute this value. We get 3. This is equal to this because A plus B plus C is 0. So once more this, you substitute 3ABC because A plus B plus C is 0. So you can write here, since, here last part, since same thing you can write, A plus B plus C is 0, we have A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. Okay children, please copy and do. This is one very important result which has been solved in solved example 2015. Check your book, you will see. So please pause the video, then I move on to question 29 and let us see. So question 29, if you see children, we have question 29, we have you will see cube is there. So see 29 is quite easy. X plus y is 4 and you see there some cube value you are getting. So do nothing, cubing. So quite easy as compared to other sum. Simply we cube and see one step. X cube plus 3xy x plus y plus y cube. This is how we expand with the previous formula what I had shown you. A cube plus 3abc a plus b plus b cube. So this formula we use is equal to 4 cube is 64. This is the most important step children, where x plus y we write 4. So finally you can write here since x plus y is 4. So this is the most important substitution. So finally we have x cube plus 12xy plus y cube minus 64 is 0. So answer is 0. Question was fine. So if I bring all to this side, so answer, if you see what is the value, 0 is the answer. Once more we substitute, we cube, we substitute, we bring 64 to this side. So they were asking for the value and we get this answer as 0. So now we move on to the second last sum, which is based on 28, what I proved you, remember, on sum 28. If a plus b plus c is 0, then we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So this result we will see there. In question 30, what result we have seen in question 28. 30, we are going to use idea of question 28, which we have applied there. So now you see, here we have 27 cube plus minus 17 cube plus minus 10 cube is how much? So here let this be A, this be B and this be C. So let A is equal to 27, B is minus 17 and C is minus 10. Therefore, A plus B plus C, what you will get? 27 minus 17 minus 10 is 0. So we can apply this formula. Therefore, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC, which is 3. What is A? 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. So what do we see? 3ABC, when you multiply, I think you will get 13770. Multiply and you can check, boys. You will get 13770. So once more, this sum individually, if you cube, it will be very big. 27 into 27 into 27. Do that. Do cube of this. Do cube of this. Add very long and you may get wrong result. So the trick is, you see these three, see nicely. Sum of these three gives you 0. Hence we can apply this formula. This is 0, therefore you can apply. If the sum of these three would not have been 0, this we would not have been able to apply. So now 3 thrice, this is equal to thrice A plus into B into C. So now we move on to the last question of today, is where we are going to use the identity which I have written at the bottom. So here you see this last sum, we have number 31. So how we will do, you see I am not writing question, you please write 86 cube plus 14 cube by 86 square minus 86 into 14 plus 14 square. This you compare with A cube plus B cube. So what you will do, let A is equal to 86 and B is equal to 14. So what do we get? A cube plus B cube by what we have, A square minus AB plus B square. If you expand by the last formula, see this formula, we get A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square, A square minus AB plus B square. So if you see it ultimately cancels, you get A plus B. So same way here, this logic we use, it is 86 plus 14, A plus B. I am showing you in both ways. This was not required. I am showing you in both the way. So here answer will be A is 86 plus 14, which is 100. This is formula method you can do, substituting and B. This is directly. So any one you can do, and if you can show both, well and good only. So this is it. Here I'll put big bracket, 86 square minus 86 into 14 plus 14 square. This comes by the formula upon 86 square minus 86 into 14 plus 14 whole square. This full cancels. 86 plus 14 is equal to 100. So both sides I have shown you how we apply formula of A cube plus B cube. So children, pause the video, copy the full thing. I have done all the difficult sums from 26 to 31. So please practice, write in your copy and try to do it at least 2-3 times. So thank you boys for watching. Okay. That's how I recording.